are playing Teardown. I am doing 3 episodes on to like some stuff. So what I'm actually going to do is, first of all, we're doing some fun stuff. And right now, our main character, which is Mr. Teardown, Alright, currently we're in the game. Okay, just loaded in. Also, I have a bit of edited some stuff, so I saved it. So now there's like these little people here. And currently, the first mission is Mr. Teardown has to find a way to really just kill all of them. Oh, and the he's just gonna go for it. I guess, where is he going? Okay. So he's going to go into one of the rooms, but I don't know if he can get in there. He's trying to find a way, but... What is he doing now? Okay, he can't. It's just... I hope he doesn't use the gas can that I have intentionally modded. Well, not me that modded, but I intentionally placed it in the game. What is he doing now? This also occurs in the robots that's going to be spread around. Okay, I think. Oh my god, who's going for the gas can? He's going to start mass fire. That is so crazy. Oh, he's going for the. He's going for the other person. Smart, so you can put the doors open. Just drop me. Oh, nice. He needs that gas can again. And as we know, he's gonna spread it. Wait, no, it's another room. Please, bro. Yes, he's dead. That's inside. Thank God I didn't tell him that. Okay, right now he's dead. No, there's some inside. No, mostly outside. And he's set on fire. As well, oh my god, it's so mad. How is this guy? How is Mr. Teardown? Oh, that was wait. show him where is this shot on that mountain. Okay, he just showed us where. There's also oh wow. Oh my god. I think me and Mr. Teardown. Oh yeah, I just realized. Here's the objective. I'm just gonna pause. Got guns out of it. That's good. The robots are dead. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Oh, come on. I feel like I'm the player. You know what? I'm just gonna take over. Okay, it's my turn now. Anyways, I'm just gonna carry on what Mr. Teardown would do. I'm check him out for it. Not in a really violent way, but in a really fun way. His ankle probably hurts. Just knock out. That's good. I see someone here. Ooh. I see myself. Ooh. Yo, I'm just gonna grab this guy. Drop him. Oh, that was. We're adding so much mods. Like so much. Even an airstrike. But oh yeah, I should probably airstrike what's it called again? That big fat robot. Yes. Oh. I'm gonna do that. Airstrike. My airball. Like it. Absolute. Oh no. No. How is he still alive? How is this kid still alive? Anyways, there are still some people around here. Oh yeah, I forgot about this guy. Oh yeah, that's it. Wait. There's blood coming out. Oh my god, is this someone? Oh, there is. Is he interactive? Are you interactive? I said, are you interactive? Interact with me. That should do it. Why does it take so long to drag this piece of body? I'm just gonna drag him back inside. Oh my god, there's so much blood. Which I don't care about. Oh my god. How do you get stuck into there? Oh, I know it's not. Get inside! Why do the D classes always have to take a while? His end damage is good. I'm just gonna block this off. I have like no space. So like you can't see the dead bodies. You can see them like that. Let's get in, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be safe in there. We can hack to make it open the door, but we can go right through. Yeah, you can see right here, but I'm probably gonna load some stuff in, so Mr. Teardown, as his like perspectively, he can like understand what's going on. So anyways, I'm just gonna, you know. Okay, let's see. Oh, that wasn't there before. Anyways, let's just open it. I need to find a way to... Can I go? Ooh. Oh my. Wait, it's actually so like empty in here. Not so empty, it's just you get it. Ooh, what is here? What's going on here? There's some fire. Well, we are here to like. We were here to assassin, but sure. They're all dead. Oh my god. Just gonna say, okay, no, why can't I ask anything like, I don't know. It's still so echoey. Like, hello? Oh. That works, but oh, I'm so scared to go in there, man. Hello? Oh. I'm so tempted to just shoot anything. What was that?
the vertical expansion been approved yet?
They're not getting to that until after the presentation. Sorry, can you repeat?
Has the vertical expansion
They're not
been
getting to
approved
that
yet?
until after the presentation. There's a caution.
Has the vertical expansion been approved yet?
Okay. They're not getting to that until after the presentation.
Has the vertical expansion been approved yet?
Shut up. Like, literally.
It has to wait. This takes precedence.
What happened here? Oh my god.
Do you have another camera? I need to get this.
Has the vertical expansion been approved yet?
It has to wait. This takes precedence. Okay.
Stop. Just stop. Okay. That's it. Okay, he's just invisible. Invincible. You. Oh my god. That's it. God, children, don't look. Guys, don't look. Did I kill him? Weak. Mr. Teardown looks like he doesn't want to do any of this. So I guess I'm just gonna be having like do stuff. But anyways, I think we're basically done here, so yeah. Well, let me just what's that? No. I spawned something else. There it is. Get away. Anyways. So many watching. I just want to say, it took me like almost like more than an hour just to set up all of this and stuff. Oh my god, I'm still sorry for that. Still feel sorry for these guys. What did they even do to me? He's finally right. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. What I'm going to say is I'm sorry about the what what's it called? Like, sorry about the sounds, like over being too loud and you can't really hear me clear. But I hope the next episode is gonna be a better, um, more clear one. And as you can see, you can hear me again. You can even hear me click. Like, I know. Uh, Also, I'm just gonna shout out, just yeah, shout out to my fellow subs. Um, Thank you guys for subscribing, and we are actually almost reaching our goal to 100 subscribers. Um, just have a great day. Yeah, see ya.